Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Let's dive into an introduction to C programming. This tutorial will cover the basics of C, including its syntax, data types, control structures, functions, and a simple code example. What is C? C is a high-level programming language that was developed in the early 1970s at Bell Labs. It is widely used for system programming, embedded systems, and developing applications due to its efficiency and control over system resources. Setting up your environment. To start programming in C, you need a C compiler. Popular options include GCC, GNU Compiler Collection, available on Unix/Linux systems and can be installed on Windows. Clang, another compiler that is available on multiple platforms. Code Blocks, an integrated development environment, IDE, that includes a compiler. Dev C++, a lightweight IDE for C/C++ programming. Basic structure of a C program. Here's the basic structure of a C program. Key components. 1. Preprocessor directives. These are instructions for the compiler, starting with the includes to.h directive includes the standard input-output library, which allows us to use functions like printf. 2. Main function. Every C program must have a main function where execution begins. The int before main indicates that it returns an integer value. 3. Return statement. The return 0 statement indicates that the program has finished successfully. Data types. C supports several basic data types. Int, integer type. Float, floating point type for decimal numbers. Double, double precision floating point type. Char, character type for single characters. Variables. Variables are used to store data. You must declare a variable before you can use it. Control structures. Control structures allow you to control the flow of your program. 1. Conditional statements, if, else if, and else. 2. Loops, for, while, and do while. Functions. Functions allow you to create reusable blocks of code. Here's how to define and call a function. Complete example. Here's a complete example that combines everything we've discussed. Explanation of the example. 1. The program prompts the user to enter the length and width of a rectangle. 2. It reads these values using scanf. 3. The calculate area function computes the area. 4. Finally, it prints the area to the console. Conclusion. This tutorial provided a brief introduction to C programming, including its syntax, data types, control structures, and functions. With this foundational understanding, you can start exploring more complex topics in C and develop your programming skills further. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or need further details on specific topics.